This is us rescuing a gecko.
Where'd you found this gecko at?
I just found it in the wall.
Oh. Let's make the gecko face. Drink, gecko, drink.
So scared.
Scaring. Papa is scaring. There. Good gecko. You just cut the video on the time that he drink. Good gecko. Maybe he likes soft drinks.
No, he doesn't.
Or maybe rice.
He only drinks water.
How about a fly?
I don't know.
Give him a fly. There's a fly in his back. Look.
You say no.
The fly is making fun of him because he cannot move.
Yeah.
Go, gecko. Get your strength back, gecko. Look at the dila.
What?
Did you see the dila?
Yeah.
Go, gecko. I think his body is bali because Lolo stepped on him.
Yeah.
Do you want him to become a pet? We'll bring.
Yeah.
Just put in a container.
Yeah.
And then we'll just catch like flies for him. Like that. Or mosquito. Maybe he eat mosquito. We'll zap mosquitoes. We'll find a container to bring him. And
Yes.
should we?
Yes.
You think he can survive?
Yes. I wish. What are you doing?
I'm checking if he has injuries or not. His eyes is covered. Go, gecko.
Is he blind?
Yeah, he's still blind for now. Maybe he's a baby, no? Kasi bago na siya anak, no?
Just good. How many minutes?
I think that's enough for a shorts.
No, it's not a short.
Ay, it's gonna be a regular video. Yeah. Go, tilap. Maybe he likes... He's full. Don't bite me.
I'm not scared.
Yeah. You know you can tap him.
No.
Why? Look, a fly. He's got his strength back. I think he's gonna climb in the wall.
Okay na ni?
I think he's ready.
Okay na?
Not yet.
Oh, yeah.
We will wait until the gecko goes to the wall.
Just put it there, Mama.
Yeah, put it there. No, Ma, it's too high.
I think he's gonna be ready in a few minutes. Or you want him to be pet?
I want him to be pet.
What kind of container can you get?
But we should name it first.
What name? Jeko?
No.
I'm gonna need a container for him. Let's put him inside here.
No. What are you doing?
Inside here.
Inside that?
Yeah.
Why? No.
So he can
Yeah.
still breathe.
Oh yeah. This